me again. Right then. Obviously I've only got this one spare, so I'm ordering some more droppers and then I'll connect them up under here. An end point, the end one is sort of over here, so you know, it starts over here and winds over here and that, and does that. So today I put this on, and you can see like we're over there. This is express track, so it's raised up a little bit. And as time goes, as it goes on, this is 3mm, then it's 2mm, but it's going to be all the way around. This 3mm over there, but it's actually going to go where points are there, and it'll be angled very slightly. A bit like real life, really. Angled. And then I'm out of FlexiTrack, so I'll order some next week, Monday. Should be Monday. I'll order some. Then and my droppers, and then that's on its way. And then I'll shout then. And then timber, there's a few things falling over. And then there's going to be this, and this is going to be like on that side, watch me can, and you know, sort of go on this side like that. So I'll be able to start doing that next week, sort of thing. And then I'm gonna take. Here we go. Fantastic, isn't it? Listen to it, I'll turn this one off, hang on to it. I won't do emergency stop because all passengers will throw up and all sorts. Briggs Railways will be getting sued, won't they? I've been running that because I want to make sure it clears coaches at the end of that platform, and it does, sort of thing. But listen to this when it goes on that side, it sounds ace. You can also file a little bit where tracks join so you get a proper clickety click. That sounds great. It's staggered a little bit over there, but as I said, I need to clean track and probably wheels. And unless it were my eyes this evening, I thought it staggered a little bit. Anyway, I'll have a look before I turn off. Before I turn it off. No, it didn't. It just made a little noise, you know, like when real trains go around really steep, tight radiuses. It's obviously different to this. They have an inside track wedge thing to make sure wheel flange don't come out, and that's a squealing you get when your trains go around. Just a little bit there, but that one out, it were alright. Anyway, that's a lot shorter, isn't it?